Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think this is a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here and just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant, and from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward, 33.5 cents is that newest area of resistance, and this actually already played out just like the rule states. So the price gap down below it, you can see it attempted during that first 30 minutes to bounce back above that area, but that's right where it got rejected from. So I'm not saying 33 cents can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did get rejected from that area right there. In the event the price does bounce and get up through the 33.5, the next key overall arching level of resistance would be that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average, which you can see has quite the track record of also breaking down and pushing down the price. But as of right now, in my opinion at least, resistance levels really don't matter that much. The key thing right now is just simply the price trying to establish some sort of base, which segues into the next update. And thus the update is just an adjustment of this area of support. And the key thing here is notice which way I'm adjusting the level of support, and that is down here to 32 cents. When support levels were being adjusted downwards, not a good thing, and that's what had to happen here. So very clearly, now that we have more data after today's price action is in the book, a lot of buyers down here at 32 cents. So on the bright side of things, it's looking like 32 cents has established itself as a very stubborn area of support. Of course, the flip side being, well, that level of support still had to get adjusted to the downwards direction. But who knows? Maybe it's worth adjusting it downwards because 32 cents is finally that true level of support going forward. But in the event the price does push down through 32, well, that would just be that much more confirmation that the bears are gaining that much more strength. So we'll see if 32 cents can remain stubborn and support the price or not. And if it does, then yeah, a bounce very well could get underway with that first test being up there at 33.5 cents. So this one's going to be very, very interesting on both Thursday and Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.